Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 15 of exercise 3D of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 3D questions 1 to 15 of chapter name is Playing with Numbers and topics are test for divisibility, prime factorization and finding prime factors. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 9 today. 9075. We have to check the number 9075 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 or not. First we will check the number is divisible by 2 or not. Divisibility of 2. We know any number is divisible by 2 if the last digit, that is the unit place digit, is divisible by 2. Here last digit, that is the unit place digit of 9075 is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 2. So this number 9075 is not divisible by 2. Now we will check the number 9075 is divisible by 3 or not. We know any number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digit, that is the digit sum of the number, is divisible by 3. Here digit sum, that is the sum of digit of the number 9075 is 9 plus 0 plus 7 plus 5. And 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21. And 21 is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. 3 is divisible by 3. So 9075 is divisible by 3. Now we will check the number 9075 is divisible by 4 or not. Divisibility of 4. Now we know any number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit of the number is divisible by 4. Here last two digit of the number 9075 is 75. We have to check whether this number 75 is divisible by 4 or not. We have to divide 75 with 4. 4 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 35. Now 4 8 is 32. Then 35 minus 2 is 3. 3 is the remainder, so it is not divisible by 4. So 75 is not divisible by 4. So 9075 is not divisible by 4. Now we check the number 9075 is divisible by 5 or not. Divisibility of 5. We know any number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 0 or 5. Here the last digit of the number 9075 is 5 and 5 is divisible by 5. So 9075 is divisible by 5. Now we will check the number 9075 is divisible by 6 or not. Divisibility of 6. We know 6 is the product of 2 and 3. 2 multiplied by 3. We know any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. First we will check the number 9075 is divisible by 2 or not. We know any number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is divisible by 2. That is, the last digit is even number, then the number is divisible by 2. The last digit of the number 9075 is 5, and 5 is not an even number, this is an odd number, so 5 is not divisible by 2. So 9075 is not divisible by 2. Now we'll check the number 9075 is divisible by 3 or not. Sum of digit of the number 9075 is digit sum is 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 21 is 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3, and 3 is divisible by 3. So the number 9075 is divisible by 3. Now we got the number 9075 is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is 5 which is not divisible by 2, but the number 9075 is divisible by 3. So the number is not divisible by 6. So 9075 is not divisible by 3, divisible by 6. 9075 is not divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 3 only. It is not divisible by 2. So this number is not divisible by 6. Now we'll check the number is divisible by 9 or not. Divisible by 8. Now the number is divisible by 8 or not. Divisibility of 8. We know any number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8. Here last 3 digit of the number 9075 is 075 and 075 is 75 which is not divisible by 8. Because 75, if we divide 75 with 8, 8 9 is 72 and remainder is 3 which is not equal to 0. So 75 is not divisible by 8. So this number 9075 is not divisible by 8. Now we'll check the number is divisible by 9 or not. Divisibility of 9. We know any number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digit that is the digit sum of the number is divisible by 9. Here digit sum of 9075 is 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 21 is 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3, and 3 is not divisible by 9. So 9075 is not divisible by 9. Now we'll check the number is divisible by 10 or not. Divisibility of 10. Now 10 is the product of 2 and 5. 2 multiplied by 5. We know any number is divisible by 2 and 5 both, then the number is divisible by 10. First we will check the number 9075 is divisible by 2 or not. Here last digit is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 2. So this number 9075 is not divisible by 2. Now we'll check the number is divisible by 5 or not. Here last digit of the number is 5, which is divisible by 5. 5 is divisible by 5, so 9075 is divisible by 5. So 9075 is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is 5, which is not divisible by 2, but this number is divisible by 5 only. So 9075 is not divisible by 10. Because this number is divisible by 5 only and this number is not divisible by 2. Now we'll check the number is divisible by 11 or not. Divisibility of 11. We know sum of the digit at odd place and sum of digits at even place is either if it differs by 2, if it differs by 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Here sum of digits at odd place is 9 plus 7. Sum of digits at odd place and sum of digit at even place is 0 plus 5. Difference between the sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place is either 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Then 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 minus 5 is 11, and 11 is divisible by 11. So 9075 is divisible by 11. Now we found that the number is divisible by it is not divisible by 2 because this number last digit of the number is 5, which is not divisible by 2, and the sum of digit of the number is 21, which is 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 is divisible by 3, so this number 9075 is divisible by 3, and the last two digit of the number is 75, which is not divisible by 4, so this number is not divisible by 4, and the last digit of the number is 5, which is divisible by 5, so this number 9075 is divisible by 5, and this number is not divisible by 2, and but this is divisible by 3 only, so this number is not divisible by 6 because 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3. 6 is the product of 2 and 3, so this number is divisible by 3 only, but it is not divisible by 2, so this number is not divisible by 6, and the last three digit of the number is 075, which is 75, so this number is not divisible by 8, so 9075 is not divisible by 8, and the sum of digit of the number is 3, which is not divisible by 9, so this number 9075 is not divisible by 9, and the number is not divisible by 2 because it is last digit is 5, which is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 5 only, so this number is not divisible by 10, and the sum of digit at odd place is 16 and sum of digit at even place is 5, which is difference between them is 11, and 11 is divisible by 11, so this number 9075 is divisible by 11. Now we found that the number 9075 is divisible by 3, 5 and 11 only, but it is not divisible by 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.